Are you looking for the best caulking gun? In this video, we will break down the top 5 caulking guns on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Newborn 930 GTD Drip-Free Smooth Hex Rod Cradle Caulking Gun. This caulking gun is available at a lower price than its rivals, but it performs better than some of the expensive models in the market. The gun features a rod that retracts slightly after releasing the trigger. This feature makes it dripless, which renders it an ideal option for the homeowners or who have zero tolerance to mess. Although the bar retracts, this option delivers a consistent distribution of the caulk. However, for us to maintain a uniform pressure, we were forced to apply a bit more strength. The caulking gun also comes with an ergonomic grip that makes it more comfortable to use for an extended period. The thrust ratio of 10:1 may not be the best you will get in the market, but at least it's fairly standard to handle most home projects. The weight of 2.47 pounds means that it is light for use and will not give operator fatigue when used for long. At number 2. Composite Caulk Gun Incorporated. The ST2000 Ergo. This is still a manual caulking gun with thrust ratio 12:1. This model can be enough for toilets, windows, ceiling, wooden walls. This caulking gun is dripless. Only by this feature, this gun has won over thousands of caulking guns to be in the top list. Another feature we want you to know about this model is the revolving frame. With common guns, you have to change your hand position to cope with changes in sealant direction. With the revolving frame, you don't. At number 3. Newborn 250 Caulking Gun. The Newborn 250 is a lockdown value. By that, we mean that you might not need to caulk every day, but when you do, you can pull it out certain that the situation is locked down. We found it easy and forgiving. Its comfortable grip and even distribution made for mistake-free caulking, even towards the end of a protracted test. It maintained consistent pressure pushing the caulk out of the tube, and it worked great with butyl and silicone caulks. It was also priced for value. At number 4. Albion Engineering B26B Like Manual Cartridge Caulking Gun. For the most efficient dispensing of caulking material, get this one from Albion. It accommodates 300 ml cartridges or 1/10 gallons. It has a smooth rod manual drive cartridge secured tightly by a metal half-barrel carriage. This setup ensures you get smooth and consistent dispensing of material. It has a pressure of 300 psi and a maximum thrust capacity of 900 lbf. The handles are full size for easier usage, great for people who might have trouble with their hands. It also boasts of the innovative double gripping plate technology, which helps adjust how much wear and tear the device accepts. You can use even the most viscous adhesives with the help of this tool. At number 5. DEWALT DC560 D120V Max Cordless Caulking Gun. If you're looking for a top-end battery-powered caulking gun, this is the best option for you. It has a lot of really great features that make it a good buy. The variable speed control provides consistent flow and better control. There's also an auto-reverse feature that helps eliminate waste and keeps things a little tidier. If you're a professional contractor, then you will want to seriously consider the DC560 D1. Not only is it built by a reliable brand, but it offers the best value in terms of price. If you have a big job ahead of you or do a lot of caulking in your work, the variable speed control and auto-reverse can really help the job go faster and smoother, saving your hands from cramping up from squeezing a manual model.